And in New York, Luigi Mangione has his first court appearance since his arraignment for allegedly murdering healthcare CEO Brian Thompson. Scripps News correspondent Alex Miller joins us live with an update. Alex.
Well, today was as big of a deal inside the court as it was outside of the court. There were crowds here outside, and there were even crowds inside on the floor where the hearing was. I want to play for you a little sound of what happened when Luigi Mangione's lawyer, Karen Friedman at Agnifilo, walked into the hallway. There was a ton of cheering for her. Not everybody was able to get into the courtroom, but there was quite a few people on the floor there, mostly young women there. When we got into the courtroom, it was a very quick hearing, a little bit over 10 minutes. The judge setting some deadlines for both sides in April and then in May. The next hearing is going to be June 26th. But the big part of what happened inside the courtroom is the fact that Luigi Mangione was wearing this bulletproof vest. He was shackled. His attorney asking for those to be removed, and the judge almost allowed it until a court officer ran up to the bench and asked that not to happen. This was part of an ongoing discussion for the rest of the hearing, essentially that Agnifilo believes that Mangione is not being treated fairly. He is being held right now in federal custody, despite the fact that there is no indictment in this federal case. It's something that the judge was confused about. The defense essentially saying that they consented to allowing him to be in federal custody because they have this death penalty possibility looming over their heads in this federal case. Remember, there are going to be 3 cases against Luigi Mangione. This is the state case where the hearing was today. Prosecutors say they have turned over or will in the next 2 weeks turn over a trove of evidence, including video surveillance, partial grand jury testimony, lab reports and notes, including trace analysis and ballistic testing, data extraction from cell phones, police reports, photographs, and body camera footage from Pennsylvania. But Agnifilo believes that there might be an issue with search and seizure that happened in Pennsylvania. It's something that she says that she's planning to litigate as well. So obviously a lot on her plate. They've actually brought in another attorney for this federal case because they believe that this death penalty is really on the table there. So there's going to be a hearing next month down the street in federal court dealing with those charges as well. So a lot happening for Agnifilo and her team.